Hi, my name is Touseef and I am from Davangere. I have completed my graduation in BE in Mechanical Engineering from BIT Davangere. Though I am from non-IT, I had a dream to work in IT industry, but I didn't have the knowledge about programming languages. So I joined Jspiders Rajajinagar, which is one of the best platform to learn the new technologies and for the students who are dreaming to start their career in IT. The teaching faculty and HRs are very friendly and helpful. The whole organization works in the most efficient way to place every single student of the institute. I recommend Jspiders Rajajinagar to everyone who wants to start their career in IT. And also, I would like to thank Uday sir, Keshav sir, and entire Jspider team. Thank you very much.